Hello everyone, my name is Alfred, and what you're seeing now is the visual demonstration of the Advanced Operating Systems Laboratory series. And this is the fifth exercise, and in it we are going to see uh, the inter-process communication. And this this inter-process communication is of the first type, and this is of the first type. And what we are doing here is we are using one. We are trying to display the process IDs, and thereby creating fork, that is creating a process and then getting its ID and checking whether the IDs are different, and even after performing different functions when the program has been executed. So this is the first of its type in inter-process communication. The other kind of IPC, for short, inter-process communication, is the named pipe receiver and sender method. So that is the other kind of the IPC that you'll be seeing that in the forthcoming lab exercises. So here we have the code, and this is the main function. I have the variables a, b, I, j count. So I'm asking to enter any two integer values. I'm going to enter a and b. At the same time, after entering that, I'm going to create two processes using fork, that is C1 and C2. So C1, I'll associate that with the fork, and the process is created right there, and it evaluates to 0. Then this ID is obtained, and it performs a what I'm doing here is I'm trying to swap A and B. So after swapping, I just displayed the value with this methodology, and then else I'm doing the C2, creating another process, and then that is checked for 0. Its ID is printed, and I'm trying to print the values from A to B, those prime numbers between A to B. So having printed that, that's another ID. So what you'll observe is that the process ID is different over here. So it goes by this logic over here, prints the prime numbers, and that's it. Thereby it stops, and that's what happens in the main function. So here I go. This is a C program, by the way. So I'm executing this on a Unix shell using the server, the PuTTY server, internet client. So I'm going to execute this now. Alright. So I'm going to type g++ cpu shed.cpp. I'm going to compile this, and it's compiled, no errors. Now /a.out. Okay, I'm going to enter two values, 10, 30. So okay, that's it, it's executed. Now what you see in this output is I've entered 10 and 30. The first process ID I printed here is 816, and actually this B is supposed to come here. I'm executing it several times. It's just the output display that matters. I'll execute it again, and I'll show you what the proper output is. So I'll explain this first. So after swapping, it's A equals 30 and B equals 10. Before I enter it for A equals 10 and 30. So that's how it is. Next, it goes to the next program block, having another ID, and that is where the prime numbers are printed. So that's there you can see two processes in this system. So thereby it is a type 1 of the inter-process communication. I'm going to execute this once more, and 20, 40, 10, 30. Came out right, but Okay, here we have the proper output. I entered 1 and then 20. Here is what I wanted to show you. There is some problem when I'm executing this program. It's getting the output is variegated by losing one line and then coming here in the next subsequent outputs. So what I did is I executed this program again, and this is what I see. So the child process is different from each other. Swap did, yeah, this is the swap values 20 and 1. In earlier it's 120, 1 and 20, and then it's 20 and 1. So another ID, and then it's printing the prime numbers from 1 to 20. So there we have it. So this is the execution and its output. Thank you for watching, and look out for more videos that are coming in subsequent exercises. Thank you very much.